Ah, isn't it beautiful? You can just smell the fresh river breeze filling your lungs. It's just wonderful. It makes you want to sing the old sea shanties of my youth.
Who's that?
Wait, who? What do you mean?
Behind you.
What? Oh, who's that gentleman over there running my route? Let's go see what he's doing. I have recently acquired special permits from the beautiful state of New York, which allows me to run my wonderful steamboat up and down the river. It has made my life so much easier now that I no longer get stopped by police asking me if I have the right permits to do this. What is this man doing on my river? Hope he has the proper permits or he's in trouble. Oh my God, this river is beautiful. Oh, hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Well, hello to you too. I was just wondering if you have the proper permits to be on this river. Because you see, this is my route, and I don't know if you belong here.
Yeah, I do actually.
You do? Let me see them.
I am
Look at this trash. Yeah. Boat? What the heck
Boat?
is this? Gosh, that hurt.
You alright?
No, fine.
Alright.
You have the permit, sir?
Yeah, it's right here.
Alright, let me see. Sir, I don't believe those are the proper permits.
It's my federal permits.
What do you mean federal? You're supposed to have the state permits for this.
No, the federal permits outweigh the state permits, actually.
I don't think they do, sir.
I think they do, actually.
Well, sir, you're doing this illegally, and since you don't have your state permits, you shouldn't be on the river at all.
Well, I'll prove it to you in court.
All right, I'll see you there.
Now, what seems to be the problem?
I believe I should be able to run my steamboats from New Jersey to New York because it's a federal issue that state or local courts have no control.
Well, I believe he should be restricted from using the same rivers as me, since I took the trouble to get my legal papers in order from the state to allow me legal use of the river, unlike Gibbons here, who uses it at his leisure without paying the state fees or applying for a state license.
Well, I'm sorry, sirs. I don't know what to say. Let's go to the jury and see what they have to say about this.
Anyway, so basically what happens is the jury favors in Ogden, and Gibbons loses the first court case. But on to the state one.
Now it appears both of you have been in court before. Why bring this to us?
Well, Gibbons here still thinks he has a chance of winning,
That's
even
because
though
I
y'all-
believe I should be able to run my steamboats along the Hudson River under the Act of Congress of 1793, which grants me the right to run my steamboats along the Hudson for commercial use.
That's where the problem lies, John. He only has a federal license. I have a license for each state I do business in. So if he doesn't have a license for each state, he shouldn't be allowed to run those states at all.
That's the thing. It's multiple states, and it's what I have is a federal act to stand behind. Federal act spread between all the states, the whole union. So why should I need one from every state when I already have something covering all of them?
Well, we'll see where the problem lies. Now, Mr. Gibbons, you have the proper permits
Yes.
in your state.
Oh, no, but I shouldn't
Then we rule in favor of Ogden.
I plead for the Supreme Court of the United States.
Get out of my courtroom. Before we begin, I want the two of you to know that no matter what this court says, the decision is final.
We understand, Your Honor.
Excellent. We reviewed your case. Now this matter of commercial use of the Hudson River.
Yes, sir.
We will now hear the case from both perspectives. Gibbons, since you are the accuser, I call you up.
Thank you. Well, I'm here before the court to sue Aaron Ogden for denying me rights to the Hudson River under the commercial clause of the United States Constitution.
I object, Your Honor. He does not withhold the proper permits or permissions to be running his steamboat up and down the Hudson. He does not have the permits from the state of New York nor New Jersey. I mean, he should not be on the Hudson at all.
Well, I object to that objection because I have a federal license, and that covers the whole nation entirely.
Enough. Now, I see how this may be a problem that must be resolved in future events similar to this. I myself may not be familiar with this Constitution, so I must call upon my colleague, Judge Todd. Yes, Todd? Uh-huh. Yes, Todd. I understand. You bring up a good point, Judge Todd. In this case, it's the first of its kind. Upon further review, it does violate the Federal Licensing Act of 1793. Therefore, we interpret the commercial clause of this Constitution to grant Congress power to regulate interstate commercial does not stop the external boundary lines of each state by introducing into the interior. We hereby deem New York's law unconstitutional and therefore lift Gibbons' injunction.
No.
Today is a great.
This can't be. I will move to a higher court system.
Joke's on you, there's no such thing.
What are you still doing here? The video's over. You can leave now. Can we get a grade now? I don't have this class, but can I get a grade 2, Mr. Gunyon? But thanks for having me, guys. But go. Turn the camera on. We can leave now. It's over. We're done. Goodbye.